freelance writing has always been one of the best ways to make money online. But now, with tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Notion AI, the game has changed. You can research, draft, and polish content in a fraction of the time, and that means more clients, more projects, and more freedom. In this video, we'll break down how to start and scale your freelance writing business using AI, even if you have zero experience. Section 1. Why freelance writing works. Let's start with why freelance writing continues to be one of the most reliable and profitable online careers. Every business needs content, from small startups to global brands. They need blog posts, website copy, newsletters, social media captions, product descriptions, and ad copy. Content is what connects a business to its audience, and writers make that connection happen. Even better, the demand keeps growing. With the explosion of online marketing and e-commerce, companies need more written content than ever before, and they're willing to pay for quality. Flexibility and control. As a freelance writer, you set your own schedule. You can work from anywhere, your home office, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. You decide how many clients to take on, what industries to write for, and how much you want to earn. Low barrier to entry. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience. If you can research, write clearly, and learn quickly, you can start freelancing. And AI tools can help you fill in the gaps, from creating outlines to improving structure and tone. Scalable income. Once you understand how to find clients and deliver high-quality work efficiently, your income becomes scalable. You can move from earning a few $100s a month to several thousand. And when you pair your skills with AI, your capacity multiplies. Think of it this way: AI doesn't replace writers, it empowers them. It's like having a digital writing assistant who handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on creativity, strategy, and quality. Section 2. Using AI tools. Here's where things get exciting. Let's talk about how AI can transform your writing workflow. AI tools can help you generate drafts, outlines, headlines, and even content ideas in minutes. You don't have to stare at a blank page anymore. Just give the AI a prompt, and you'll instantly have something to refine. Let's look at the key ways to use AI effectively as a freelance writer. 1. Brainstorming and research. When a client gives you a topic, start by using AI to brainstorm angles. Ask it questions like, what are trending subtopics around topic? What are common challenges people face in this area? AI can give you a foundation of ideas that you can research and expand upon. 2. Outlining and drafting. Once you have your angle, use AI to generate an outline. This helps you structure your article logically and ensures you cover key points. Then, have the AI generate a first draft. You don't have to use it word for word. Treat it as a rough skeleton. From there, you can rewrite, refine, and personalize it. 3. Editing and optimization. AI writing assistants can also help you improve grammar, tone, and SEO. Tools like Grammarly and Quillbot polish your sentences, while SEO tools like Surfer SEO or NeuronWriter ensure your content ranks better on Google. For example, if a client asks for an SEO blog post, you can input the keyword and use AI to generate title ideas, meta descriptions, and internal linking suggestions. 4. Adding your voice. This is where your value as a writer shines. I can't replicate your unique voice, storytelling, or emotional tone. It can give you the structure, but you bring the life, the empathy, and the authenticity that readers connect with. When you revise AI-generated drafts, focus on making them sound human, conversational, and engaging. Use anecdotes, analogies, and clear transitions. Clients notice when writing feels alive. 5. Speed without sacrificing quality. With AI, you can double or even triple your output without burning out. A 1,500-word article that used to take you 3 hours might now take 1. That means you can serve more clients and increase your monthly income while maintaining quality. Section 3. Finding clients. Now that you understand how to write efficiently, let's talk about how to find people who'll pay you to do it. 1. Freelance platforms. Start with platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Create a strong profile with samples, testimonials, and a clear description of your services. Highlight your efficiency using AI tools. Mention that you deliver high-quality, SEO-optimized content quickly and consistently. Businesses love reliability and fast turnaround times. 2. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the most underrated tools for freelance writers. You can post writing samples, share insights about content strategy, and connect directly with business owners and marketing managers. Post about topics like how AI helps me deliver better content faster. This positions you as both modern and professional, a writer who understands technology and business. 3. Direct outreach. Find businesses in your niche and email them directly. For example, if you write about fitness, reach out to wellness brands, supplement companies, or gyms. Keep it simple. Hi, name, I'm a freelance writer who helps industry brands create engaging, SEO-optimized content. I'd love to help you with your next project. Can I send over a few ideas? Personalized outreach works. And AI tools can even help you craft these emails faster. Just make sure you always customize the tone and details. 4. Offer service packages instead of charging per word. Create packages. Starter, 1 blog post per week. Growth, weekly blog plus newsletter. Premium, blog plus email plus social captions. Clients love clear pricing and convenience. Once you have a few satisfied clients, ask for testimonials. These will help you attract more business. 5. Build a portfolio website. Eventually, create a simple site with samples, services, and a Work With Me page. You can even use AI to help design and write your site copy. The more professional you appear, the easier it is to land higher-paying clients. Section 4. Scaling your income. Once you're landing consistent clients, it's time to grow. Here's how to scale from part-time freelancer to full-time income, or even a six-figure writing business. 1. Raise your rates. As your writing improves and your workflow becomes faster, increase your rates. If you start at $50 per article, move to $100, then $200. Clients pay more for quality and reliability. 2. Specialized. General writing pays the bills, but niche writing builds wealth. Specialize in industries like finance, health, real estate, or technology, areas where clients pay premium rates. Use AI to help you research and stay updated on trends in your niche. That's how you deliver expert-level content without spending hours digging through Google. 3. Automate repetitive tasks. AI can handle repetitive admin work, writing invoices, managing templates, even generating quick reports for clients. Use tools like Notion AI or ChatGPT to automate parts of your workflow so you can focus on writing and strategy. 4. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on one source of income. Once you have a steady client base, expand into digital products. You could create writing templates, ebooks, or mini courses on how to write with AI. You can also offer AI content consulting, teaching businesses how to use AI ethically and efficiently for their content strategy. 5. Build a team. When you have more projects than you can handle, hire subcontractors. Use AI to create outlines, and have your writers draft under your supervision. This transforms your freelance business into a mini content agency, one that runs smoothly and scales easily. 6. Track and optimize. Use AI analytics tools to track your writing performance, how your content ranks, how it converts, and what clients love most. Data helps you refine your offers and increase your income strategically. Mindset. For long-term success. Let's talk about mindset, because your mindset determines your income ceiling. Some writers fear AI, thinking it'll replace them. But those who learn to use it become more valuable. I can't replicate your human understanding of emotion, humor, or storytelling. It just speeds up the technical part. Your power lies in blending creativity with technology. AI is your assistant, not your competitor. You're still the writer, strategist, and voice behind the work. The better you get at leveraging AI, the more you'll stand out from others who either ignore it or rely on it too much. Practical action steps to start today. Let's make this actionable. 1. Pick your niche. Choose one industry you enjoy writing about. Start with your personal interests. 2. Build your samples. Write 3 strong sample articles using AI for support, then personalize them. 3. Create profiles. Upload your samples to Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. 4. Start outreach. Send 5 to 10 direct messages or emails to potential clients daily. 5. Use AI consistently. Let it help you brainstorm, outline, and edit every day. 6. Track your time and earnings. Notice how AI reduces your workload and increases productivity. 7. Reinvest profits. Use your earnings to upgrade tools, improve your setup, and eventually hire help. In just 30 to 60 days, you can go from 0 clients to a full freelance writing schedule if you stay consistent. Freelance writing isn't just about words, it's about connection, creativity, and strategy. AI just makes those things faster and easier to deliver. So whether you want to earn a side income or build a full-time writing business, the opportunity is right here, right now. Use AI to draft smarter, edit cleaner, and scale faster. You'll be amazed at how much more you can achieve when you combine your human creativity with AI efficiency. Subscribe to Smart Money today for more tips on freelancing, AI tools, and building your online income. Remember, you're not competing with AI, you're collaborating with it. And together, you can build a writing career that gives you freedom, income, and impact.